12. So 3 hours before New Year. What are we doing? Working. That's life. You have to deal with it every single time. So ayun, I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video. Like literal. Kung gagawa pa talaga ng video ngayon since naman may gagawin, nasa bahay lang kami. Siguro gagawin ko na lang, summarize ko na lang yung buong nangyari namin. Parang yung vlog namin nakaraan na kinuwento niya siguro. Nagko-compile na lang ng video. So just to sum up 2024. Just to sum up.
Just to sum up 2024. Nag-post kasi ako sa Facebook like literally few minutes ago. Ilang minutes ba to? Nag-post ako.
Sipin mo podcast. Yung podcast.
Nag-post ako like literally 6 minutes ago. If you can see that. 6 minutes. 6 minutes ago. Nag-post ako to sum up 2024. Grabe. It's been a long, fun year for me. Like, ngayong, alam mo yung, nagkakaroon ka ng New Year's Eve, reflection sa buong year. It's been a hella good year, I can say. Like, literally, January. Kasi kung tutuusin mo, saan kami kukuha ng ganong money to buy and to travel and for everything. So, it's been a hella good year for us. Ang dami namin na-accomplish, ang dami naming nabili, from the car, to the house, to travel every month, and to buy lots of things this 2024. Kaya, I'm so thankful for Clem. Kasi ito yung namin, swerte. Kung totoo man ang swerte. But totoo yun. Ito ang aming swerte, si Clem. Yun lang. Wala naman masyadong realizations lang na sobrang good ng year 2024 for us. Hoping 2025 is a good year too. I'm claiming it. Better 2025. So if it's good year 2024, it's a better 2025. Kiniklaim ko yun. Ayoko ng negative shits and all. So, wala naman kami masyadong handa kasi literally 4 lang kami sa bahay, isa pang lola, which is, hindi naman siya masyadong kakain and stuff. Kaya hindi na kami masyadong nag-prepare ng food. Pero tomorrow, we will be going to parentals sa aming mga families. Kami ay bibisita January 1. Kami ay dadalaw, pero nating special. Though special kasi dadalaw kami. But yeah, hindi naman siya ganun big of deal. Pero yan. I'm excited for 2025. I hope it's a really good year. Anong message mo para kay 2024?
22. Walang boses. 2024. Message ko sa kanya. Naging madalas stress.
No, hindi.
Hindi, simulang pagpasok ng 2024, napaka-stressful ng 2024 para sa akin. Para sa atin, like literally, nakaka-burn out lahat. Tapos ayun, kita mo naman, in the end of the year, medyo lahat ng stress nung pagpasok ng 2024, napalitan naman ng sobrang daming napalit.
I agree. Kasi yung 2024, though we bought the car and then we were able to travel, there's some downsides as well. Nung first quarter, like literally na parang it's a whole month. Hindi namang whole month. Siguro 2 weeks, 3 weeks, na sobrang stress talaga kami. And yun.
Pero ngayon, challenging din. Kasi yun nga, medyo, kaya nga nasabi ko, nawalan ulit kami ng client.
Yes, medj challenging siya. However, I know to myself na kaya ko naman palitan. So, we're just gonna keep moving forward. And for 2024, ang dami niyang lessons no? Sobrang dami niyang lessons na marami kami natutunan and marami rin kami na-experience, which is good thing. Good experiences. We have bad experiences and we also have good experiences. Pero mas lamang yung good. Kaya, I'm so happy. I'm so happy for 2024. I mean, to sum it up, I'm happy.
Last 4 hours, 3 hours.
It's, na ano nga ako, alam mo, parang pakiramdam na nalulungkot ako kasi ayoko pa matapos yung taon. Kasi sobrang, for me, even if it's, I mean, despite all the stress that we had, 2024 is a good year for me. I can say that.
I mean, for me, it's a best year shit.
Yeah.
Best year.
We still consider it as a best year kasi hindi naman kami ganito last like maraming years na alam mo yun, so lang, ganyan. Meron din mga years na ayoko na talaga, tapusin na natin tong taon na to. Gusto ko na ng bagong taon, ganun. Pero, ngayon parang hindi pa ako ready mag-let go sa 2024 kasi literally best year siya. May stress, ayun nga, ulitin ko ulit, may stress pero mas marami pa rin good things na nangyari sa amin.
Mga bad stress siya. Ganun. Good stress.
Good stress kasi nangyari yun. I mean, nangyari yung mga stress na yun. Para mag-grow kami and then we find new, better stuff. I mean, alam mo yun, parang napapalitan kasi lahat ng bagay ng mas maganda. Kaya it's kinda good stress for us. And wala ako talagang masabi kasi lang akong, nagbabagong taon na ganyan. Pero sobrang nung 2024, sobrang good sa amin. Hindi lang sa amin actually, to the whole family. Like, yun. Para sa lahat. Marami kaming natulungan this year. Marami rin kaming may mga
natulungan. Pero mas marami yung learnings.
But in a good way. And it's down to last 3 hours. It's almost actually 2 hours more kasi 9:41 na. So, ilang na lang. Dilaman ko konti. Liwanag Ayan. 9:42 na. So, ilang minutes na lang. Ilang hours na lang. Tapos ng ating 2024. And hoping mas better on 2025. Nahulog si Clem. Better 2025. Ready na ba tayo sa 2025? Are you ready?
Walang choice.
Walang choice. Pero if, kung may choice ka, are you ready for 2025? Kent was ready already. I'm still 50-50 for 2025. But, yeah, we don't have choice about it. But then, to look forward and be ready. Sana lang it's a good year. No, I'm claiming it's a good year. 2025 is a better year for us. So, we're doing lots of nicer things, I guess. I hope. And, yeah. I'm literally ready for it. Ayun lang. Wala naman ako masabi. Nag-reflect lang ako ng buhay ko noong 2025. 2024. Reflection. Reflecting. I'm happy. I'm so happy for 2024. Gumawa pa ako ng Gumawa pa ako ng...
May higit pa lang na palabok, 300.
Nakabili ka?
Oo. Hindi daw kayo ng one nag-order.
Alam mo yun, kasi... Di ba, alam mo yung parang puro recap nangyayari. Alam mo yung last na day ng taon is puro recap. 2024, puro recap. Tas look. Yan, yung car namin. Tas Apple Watch, yung mga purchases, birthdays, kasan kami gumagala, yung mga dogs nagkasakit, dogs bumili, laptop, vet, out of the countries, bili ng luxury items. It's actually literally puro lang, out of the country trips, because we traveled a lot Which we didn't expect, to be honest. Kasi hindi namin na-expect na makaka-travel kami. Like, yeah, we're earning a lot, enough. We're earning literally enough for stuff. But then, alam mo yun, since may mga priorities din, we never expect talaga na makakapag-travel kami. So, it's a good thing that we did, and I'm so happy that we did. Because again, new experiences, we invested a lot for the new experiences that we had this year. Kaya parang special sa akin ng 2024. It's been the best year for us. Kasi yung 2020, bago lang kami nag-get. And then, it's not a good year for me. Kaya di so-so. 2021, it's starting to get a little bit better. But it's still a so-so. And then, 2022, it's kind of so-so as well. I mean, we're in the call center that time. And then, it's getting better. Yeah, it's getting better. The year, yung paano na yung year, patapos na din. And then, 2023 is a good year as well for us. We had, nasa VA na kami nun. And then, umu-okay na ang situations. And then, here comes the 2024, the best year so far for the both of us. So, 2025, we're looking forward. And I hope it's also best year. I mean, better year. Kasi good 2024, so better year. Nag-work kami ngayon. May work pa rin kami. Kahit, New Year. Because, alam mo yun, para at least sure ako may trabaho ko buong taon. Ganun kasi, pag nagtrabaho ka parang ang dating sa akin, okay, I have to work the whole year. So, which is a good thing. Kaya yun, nothing too crazy, too special. But, let's just all gonna look forward for 2025. And I know, if ever Kat will continue vlogging, we will be able to see our, kung paano kami mag-grow and ano yung accomplish namin sa 2025, and I'm actually excited for it. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'm speaking for 11 minutes already. And I don't know what to say anymore. Yun, Happy New Year everyone kung may nanonood man ito, or if ilo-look forward namin ito. I mean, if we're gonna watch it few years from now, and then Happy New Year yourself. Happy New Year, Kent. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year for the both of us and for our babies.
Sana malaki na ang bahay natin, Kent. Malaki na ba dyan? Kausap ko yung future self ko.
Sana mas goods na yung setup natin dyan with the dogs. Sana meron na silang nalalakaran ng malawak na lupain. Alam mo yun, kind of stuff. And I just really hope ayun na may purpose ng vlogging namin. Kasi iba talaga pa alam mo yun, na-edit yung mga special moments to look back. Kagaya ng ginagawa ni Ket. Ang dami namin videos last 3 years. Oh shit, ang payat ko pa dyan, Ganun kami, dalawa. So, sana, yun. I guess that's it. Happy New Year, everyone. If there's someone watching this, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. To a better 2025 for everyone. To better self for 2025. Bye-bye.